Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kids Learn with Fun channel. Kids, today I will share with you beautiful cards making activities. Pop-up heart, rainbow card, tearing painting, Happy Mother's Day card, Happy Valentine's Day, heart cutting, heart activity, finger activity, B, smileys, dinosaur, teddy bear, paper duck, paper dog, wall craft, flower making card, beautiful heart making card, flower pot card, again Mother's Day card, umbrella cutting, beautiful unicorn, heart craft, kids craft, stick card, paper hug, heart activity, heart-shaped animals, heart animals, butterfly, again butterfly, caterpillar, owl, owl activity, finger activity. Thanks for watching kids. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.